What if I told you that the secret to unlocking your entire body has been hiding in one single movement this whole time? Stay with me, because what you are about to discover will change everything you thought you knew about fitness. Most people spend years searching for complicated exercises and expensive equipment, thinking that is the path to real results. But the truth is, something far more simple and far more powerful has been waiting for you all along. The squat. Not just any squat, though. A deep, primal squat that your body was designed to perform since the day you were born. And today, I am going to take you through a 10-minute mobility routine that will unlock flexibility you never knew you had. This is not just another workout video. This is a transformation waiting to happen. But here is the part that will surprise you most. Babies all around the world sit in a perfect deep squat, effortlessly, every single day. They do not think about it. They do not struggle. Their tiny bodies just know how to do it naturally. So what happened to us? Where did we lose this incredible ability that we were all born with? The answer is heartbreaking, but also filled with hope. Modern life slowly stole this gift from our bodies. Chairs, desks, cars, and couches trained our muscles to forget what they once knew perfectly. Year after year, our hips tightened. Our ankles lost their range. Our spines started to round forward. And before we knew it, something as simple as squatting became difficult or even impossible. But here is the beautiful truth that most people never realize. Your body remembers. Deep inside your muscles and joints, there is a memory of perfect movement waiting to be awakened. And in just 10 minutes a day, you can bring that memory back to life. Are you ready to begin this journey? Let us start with something gentle, but incredibly powerful. Find a comfortable space where you can move freely. Stand with your feet slightly wider than shoulder-width apart. Point your toes outward just a little bit. Now take a deep breath in and feel your chest lift toward the sky. As you exhale, slowly begin to lower your body down. Do not rush this moment. Let gravity be your guide. Feel every inch of the descent as your hips sink lower and lower. If you cannot go all the way down right now, that is perfectly okay. Go only as far as your body allows, and hold that position. This is where the magic begins. You might feel tightness in your hips. You might feel your ankles screaming for more flexibility. You might feel your lower back asking for attention. All of these sensations are messages from your body. Listen to them carefully. They are telling you exactly where you need to focus your energy. Now, here comes a technique that will change everything. While you are in your squat position, place your elbows on the inside of your knees. Press your hands together in front of your chest like you are praying. This is called the prayer squat, and it has been used for centuries by cultures all around the world. Now gently push your elbows outward against your knees. Feel your hips begin to open like a flower blooming in the morning sun. Hold this pressure for 5 seconds, then release. Repeat this 3 more times. With each push, you are sending a signal to your hip muscles. You are telling them it is safe to let go. You are teaching them to trust the movement again. But wait, there is something even more powerful coming. Stay in your squat position if you can. Now slowly shift your weight to your right side. Feel the stretch deepen in your left hip as you lean away from it. Hold this position and breathe deeply. Count 5 slow breaths, then shift to the other side. This lateral movement targets areas of your hips that most people never train. These forgotten muscles hold so much tension from years of sitting. When you release them, Your entire body will feel lighter and more free. Now let us address something that stops so many people from achieving a deep squat. The ankles. These small joints at the bottom of your legs control more than you could ever imagine. Tight ankles force your body to compensate in dangerous ways. They cause your knees to cave inward. They make your lower back round excessively. They create a chain reaction of problems that travels all the way up your spine. But we are going to fix that right now. Stand up slowly and find a wall or sturdy surface to hold on to. Place one foot about 6 inches away from the wall. Keep your heel firmly planted on the ground. Now, try to touch your knee to the wall without lifting your heel. If you can do it easily, move your foot back a little and try again. Find the distance where it becomes challenging, but still possible. This is your ankle mobility edge. This is where growth happens. Hold this position for 30 seconds on each side. Breathe into the stretch and feel your ankle slowly releasing its grip. Every millimeter of improvement here will translate to a better squat. Now comes a movement that might feel strange at first, but trust me, it works wonders. Get down on all fours like a table. Your hands should be under your shoulders and your knees under your hips. From here, slowly push your hips back toward your heels. Let your chest sink toward the ground. Reach your arms forward as far as they will go. This is called the child pose squat stretch. It combines spinal mobility with hip opening in one beautiful movement. Stay here for 1 full minute if you can. Let your body melt into the floor. Feel the tension draining from your lower back and hips. With every exhale, imagine stress leaving your body. With every inhale, imagine flexibility flowing in. Now, here is where things get really interesting. From this position, slowly walk your hands over to the right side. Feel a deep stretch along your left side body. This targets your latissimus dorsi and quadratus lumborum. These muscles, when tight, prevent your torso from staying upright during squats. Hold for 30 seconds, then walk your hands to the left side. Balance is everything in the body. What you do on one side, you must do on the other. Now let us return to the deep squat position once more. This time we are going to add gentle movement. Once you are in your squat, slowly rock forward and backward. Shift your weight to your toes, then back to your heels. Do this 10 times, moving slowly and mindfully. This rocking motion lubricates your joints. It sends synovial fluid into spaces that have been dry for too long. Think of it like oiling a rusty door hinge. The movement becomes smoother every time. Now shift your weight side to side. Let your body sway left and right like a tree in a gentle breeze. This lateral motion continues to open your hips. It teaches your body that movement in all directions is safe. 10 repetitions on each side. Slow and controlled. Never rushed. Here comes a technique that most fitness experts never talk about. While in your squat position, let your knees fall inward slightly. Then push them back out again. Repeat this inward and outward motion 10 times. This dynamic movement awakens your hip rotators. These small muscles deep inside your pelvis control stability and range of motion. When they function properly, everything else falls into place. Now stand up slowly and shake out your legs. Feel the blood flowing. Feel the warmth building in your muscles. You are halfway through this routine and already your body is changing. But there is more work to do. Place your feet together and stand tall. Raise your arms overhead and interlace your fingers. Push your palms toward the ceiling and feel your entire spine lengthening. Take 3 deep breaths in this position. This spinal decompression creates space between your vertebrae. It counteracts all the compression that happens when we sit all day. Now perform a slow forward fold. Bend at your hips and let your upper body hang toward the ground. Keep your knees slightly bent. Let your head hang heavy. Feel the stretch running down the entire back of your body. From your neck to your calves, every muscle is lengthening. Stay here for 1 minute if possible. Breathe deeply and let gravity do the work. Now slowly roll your spine up one vertebra at a time. Feel each segment stacking on top of the one below it. This mindful movement teaches your spine to move with fluidity and grace. Let us return to the squat once more. This time go deeper if you can. Your body is warmer now. Your muscles are more ready to accept this position. If you could not reach a full deep squat before, try again now. You might surprise yourself. The body adapts faster than most people believe. Hold this position and practice breathing into your belly. Let your stomach expand as you inhale. Feel your pelvic floor gently descending. This diaphragmatic breathing while squatting does something remarkable. It teaches your core muscles how to stabilize in this position. It connects your breath to your movement in a deep, primal way. Now here is a challenge that will test everything you have learned. While in your squat, extend your arms straight out in front of you. Try to keep your torso as upright as possible. Hold this position for 30 seconds. Your legs will burn. Your core will shake. Your mind will tell you to stop. But you are stronger than you know. Push through this moment, and you will emerge transformed. Now slowly stand up and take a moment to appreciate what just happened. Your body just did something incredible. Every muscle worked together in perfect harmony. Every joint moved through its natural range. This is what human movement was always meant to be. Let us finish with some gentle stretches to seal in all the progress we made. Stand on one leg and grab your other ankle behind you. Pull your heel toward your glute and feel the stretch in your quadriceps. These powerful front thigh muscles often become short and tight. When they are too tight, they pull on your pelvis and limit squat depth. Hold for 30 seconds on each side. Next, perform a standing figure 4 stretch. Cross one ankle over your opposite knee. Slowly sit back, as if lowering into a chair. You will feel an intense stretch in your outer hip and glute. This is the piriformis muscle. When it is tight, it can cause all kinds of problems. Hold for 30 seconds and then switch sides. Finally, stand tall once more. Roll your shoulders backward in big circles. Let your neck gently move side to side. Shake out your arms and legs one more time. Take one final deep breath and hold it at the top. As you exhale, let go of everything. Let go of any remaining tension in your body. Let go of any stress in your mind. Let go of any doubts about what you can achieve. You just completed a routine that most people never discover. You just invested 10 minutes in yourself. And here is the most beautiful part. Every time you do this routine, your body will remember more. Your flexibility will improve. Your strength will increase. Your connection to your own movement will deepen. The ancient practice of squatting carries wisdom that modern science is only beginning to understand. It strengthens every major muscle group. It improves digestion and circulation. It keeps your joints healthy as you age. It connects you to thousands of generations of humans who came before you. They all squatted just like this. It was as natural to them as breathing. And now you are reclaiming that birthright. Not everyone will understand why you do this. Some people might think it is too simple to be effective. Let them doubt. You know the truth now. You have felt it in your body. 10 minutes every single day. That is all it takes. Some days will be harder than others. Some days, your body will feel tight and resistant. Other days, you will flow into the deepest squat of your life. Both kinds of days matter. Both are part of the journey. Progress is not always a straight line. Sometimes we move forward in spirals. Sometimes we need to revisit the basics before we can advance. Trust the process and stay consistent. Your future self will thank you for every minute you invest today. Imagine yourself 1 year from now. Imagine having complete freedom in your movement. Imagine being able to play with children or grandchildren without pain. Imagine hiking, climbing, dancing, and living fully in your body. All of this is possible when you commit to these simple practices. You are not just stretching muscles right now. You are building a foundation for a lifetime of mobility. You are giving yourself the gift of independence. You are choosing to age gracefully and powerfully. Let this routine become a sacred part of your daily rhythm. Make it as automatic as brushing your teeth. Protect this time for yourself, no matter how busy life gets. Because you deserve to feel good in your body. You deserve to move without pain. You deserve to experience the joy that comes from physical freedom. Remember that every expert was once a beginner. Every flexible person was once stiff. Every strong person was once weak. The only difference between them and others is that they never stopped trying. So keep showing up. Keep breathing through the difficult moments. Keep believing in what your body can become. The results you seek are already on their way to you. They are built into every repetition. They are hidden inside every breath. Trust your journey and celebrate every small victory. Your body is a miracle. Treat it with the respect and care it deserves. And it will reward you in ways you never imagined possible. Thank you for spending these 10 minutes with me. I am honored to be part of your transformation. Now go out there and move beautifully. The world needs more people who are free in their bodies. You are becoming one of them, and that is something truly worth celebrating. Peace and strength to you always.